Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Video lectures, class 3, subject is English, lecture 14. The book name is Grammar and Usage. The contents of my today's lecture are instruction for the student, introduction of the topic, rules for writing picture composition, word bank, asking questions from the student, development of thoughts, model picture composition. Instructions for the student. I hope you are all safe and sound at your home and following all the precautions to save yourself from COVID-19. I want all of you to be attentive and be ready for today's lecture. I hope you have your notebook and stationery items with you. Parents are advised to help their children in this respect. Today's topic is picture composition. Before you start, here are some rules for writing good picture composition. Always use words in the box. Write short sentences. Always write in simple language. Do not repeat lines again and again. It makes the paragraph very boring. Use present form of the verb. Use adjectives to make the paragraph very interesting. So, this is the picture on which we are going to write about. Look at it carefully. This is the word bank. The words in this box are park, bright, swing, gossip, slide, greenery, mood, peaceful, fun. These words help you in writing picture composition. You should use them while you are writing. First, I will ask different questions about the picture. What is this picture about? How is the weather today? How many people are there in this picture? What these people in this picture are doing? How are the people looking? Means how they are dressed up. Tell me the background of the picture and different objects in the picture. Do you like this picture? The answer of above questions help you in developing thoughts and ideas about the picture. You will be able to write a good picture composition. Now we have a model picture composition. I take the help of word bank and questions answer to make this model picture composition. This is a picture of a park. It is a bright sunny day. There are four people in this picture, two children and two men. The boy and girl are taking swim. They are looking happy and having fun. The two men are sitting on the bench. They are having gossip. The girl is wearing pretty frock and the two men are nicely dressed up in their pant shirt. There is greenery everywhere in this picture. We can see some colorful flowers, lush green grass, and a big old tree in this picture. The park is looking very peaceful as we can see no other people there. I like the lovely atmosphere of the park. Now student, you have an assignment. Select any three pictures from your book and write a paragraph on each of them. Thank you.